Hey guys, I'm just finished up a flooring project here, probably about 1,200 square foot of an engineered hardwood flooring, and I wanted to do a review of the Freeman 18 gauge flooring nailer. I picked this up rather than renting. I knew this was going to be kind of a drawn out process. It was going to take me, a couple of weeks probably to get everything done between work and everything else I've got going on. So I didn't want to mess around with renting a nailer, so I decided I'd just go ahead and buy it. And I'm either going to, I'm not sure actually if I'll sell this now or if I'll just keep it. Actually, I'll probably just keep it. That way I have it for future projects. But in any case, this is I'll show you the model if you can see it. This is the Freeman PF18GLCN. And I think this is actually the older, model, I guess. I think they actually have come out with an upgraded model, which I kind of checked with the guys at Freeman. It sounds like it's a little bit lighter, and I don't know, functioning wise, I don't think really makes a whole lot of difference. So this one works great. If you go with the newer, Gen 2, if you want to call it that, that'll work great as well. I've been using this, again, this is specifically made for 18 gauge, which is what this flooring manufacturer calls for. I've been using the power nails, the 1 3/4 power nails, and this thing has worked great. So I'm about 1,200 square feet in, and I've only had this thing jam on me 2 times, and both times I know that it was because I didn't give a good solid hit to set the nail. I did kind of a half hit, and I was actually both times I was kind of up against a wall or a cabinet, so I was trying to get a real short swing in there, and that's the only time I've had this thing jam. Other than that, I don't know how many thousands of nails I put in, but I've had no issues with this nailer. I oil it every day, a few drops of oil, and it really works great. And I'll say, if you try this, if you use this and you do get a jam, basically all you have to do is there's 3 screws on the bottom of this plate here, and you pop those screws off, and this plate comes out, slides out this way. You can very easily reach in there with the pliers, clear the jam, nail, pop that back in, and and the jam's taken care of. So really easy that way. And again, now that that was really early on in the project. Once I kind of figured out what I was doing, I haven't had a jam in, those actually, probably both those jams I would say were probably in the first day, maybe a day or 2, and I haven't had any issues since then. So I've been really happy with it. It comes with a hammer. So you've got the rubber head so you can bang on boards, as well as the back for tapping boards, and then of course the rubber head for setting the nails. It also comes with multiple plates for different thicknesses, depending on the thickness of the flooring you're using. There's 3/8 and a half. This one's 3/4, and then the one that's on here now, here comes my dogs, is made for 5/8 and 9/16. So there's 3 different plates, depending on. I'm sorry. Yeah, doing this at home. Anyway, there's 3 different plates depending on the floor thickness that you're installing. So good flexibility there. And it's just really worked out well. I've had no issues with it. To load, see if I can get this stack out. So basically there's just a slot in the back. Here's your cleats. Helps go the right direction. Drop your cleats in. There you go, you're ready to go. Good nailer, it's worked out great for me. I'll try to find a link and throw it down below if anybody's interested in checking out. I can't remember. I think they're around a couple $100, but check the price. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly how much I had this because I bought it probably a month before I ever started this project. But good nailer. If you're interested in, if you can spend a lot more money on these things, but if you're not a professional and just need it for a few projects, I think it's the way to go. So Hope you guys found that review helpful. Check out the link below if you want to see what they're going for current price. If you found that helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button on the video, and we'll see you in the next one.